Today we're going to be making a wing for the lawnmower. It's going to be pretty stinking good. Right here I got the lawnmower out here. Got the base of it. Now all you got to do is tape this stuff to the seat. They can go up if you want to flip the seat up. So watch, just pick that up, flip her up. See? Pretty sitting good. Now this one here, it's screwed up kind of. This one is the main, this one's the main one. But this one doesn't come out. This is the one that's, this one is removable. This one comes out, you know, if you want to take this. No, this one doesn't come out. If you want to take this one out, put a flag on there, go ahead, because this one's removable. That's why I have to hold this one and pick the seat up. Pretty stinking cool. But anyways, after you get your frame on, add the wing. Just like that. Well, I got her all taped up. I think we should test her. Plus a bonus, the new exhaust I put on. Well, there you have it. My wing and my exhaust. That thing's pretty cool. This thing is very aerodynamic too. And also, you're mowing the lawn in the summer and the sun's beating down on you. And the sun's behind you. There you go, you got shade, alright? It's very smart. You just gotta use your brain a little bit. Now remember, if you don't have any duct tape at home, just go to your local Walmart and get some.